Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your entire life was a dream. But here's the twist. What if you're not the one who woke up? What if something else did? Forget just questioning reality. What if reality itself isn't an illusion, but a carefully programmed simulation? Each sight, sound, and touch, not the world itself, but a complex construction of the mind. Welcome to the Conscious Dialogue. Dialogues that help you grow. The veil of perception. Are you sure the screen in front of you is real? Or could it be a rendering, a digital construct your brain creates to make sense of light and energy around you? Our brains act like prediction engines. They take sensory data, tiny fragments of light and vibration, and reconstruct them into a world model we can navigate. The world as we experience it is not reality itself, but a highly efficient simulation running inside our minds. And on the smallest scale, the mystery deepens. In quantum experiments, particles behave differently when observed. Could perception itself play a role in making reality real? Beyond the brain, consciousness and simulation theory. This leads us to philosophy's toughest puzzle, the hard problem of consciousness. How does electrical activity in the brain give rise to inner experience, to awareness itself? Some scientists argue consciousness is an emergent property, a clever trick of evolution, but others suggest it's more fundamental, that mind may be the ground of existence from which the physical world emerges. Then there's the simulation hypothesis. If reality is a cosmic computer program, we might just be information, living within a grand algorithmic universe. In this model, atoms are bits, and the universe, a conscious computation. Neuroscience now echoes this possibility. Your brain doesn't just sense the world, it predicts it. It continuously simulates what's out there, adjusting every millisecond when new data comes in. So in a sense, we each live inside a personal model of reality, not the world itself, but our interpretation of it. Ancient echoes and modern quandaries. These questions echo across centuries. Plato imagined prisoners chained in a cave, watching shadows on a wall, mistaking illusion for truth. In Eastern philosophy, this illusion was called Maya, a veil over ultimate reality. Later, philosopher George Berkeley suggested, to be is to be perceived. Reality exists only through observation. Cut off the perceiver, and the universe itself disappears. Today's transhumanists dream of digital immortality, uploading consciousness into machines, escaping biology altogether. Will that be our next evolution, or just another simulation nested inside the first? The multiverse and unseen dimensions. Reality might not stop where our senses do. The many worlds interpretation of quantum physics proposes that every decision you make spawns new universes, infinite versions of you living every possible choice. String theory adds another twist. Hidden dimensions, invisible but vital, woven into the fabric of space-time. And over 95% of our universe remains unseen. Dark matter, dark energy, shaping the cosmos from the shadows. So how much of reality are we truly perceiving, and how much lies forever out of reach? Reevaluating reality. If reality is a construction, or even a simulation, then truth itself might be fluid, personal, and participatory. Understanding this doesn't make life meaningless. It makes it miraculous. Every moment, every perception, is a meeting point between mind and mystery. Perhaps the goal isn't to solve reality, but to wake up within it, aware, curious, alive. Because maybe reality isn't something we look at. Maybe it's something we're continually creating. So the real question isn't, what is reality, but who is the one that's aware of it? Thank you for watching The Conscious Dialogue, where every question leads you closer to awakening.